What's up? Alright, so I just got my Shea moisture box in the mail today. I've been waiting for this for maybe like a week now. I got my tracking number in my email about a week ago, and it didn't work for days. Like literally, I kept checking it, and it didn't work because of the storm apparently in the Northeast. I'm in PA. So apparently that affected me in the post office. But I woke up this morning, checked my email, and the tracking code worked. They said it was at my post office, walked out, and it was at my mailbox. So here I am. I'm really excited because I've been waiting for this forever. Like, Shea Moisture is my favorite brand of products, and here it is. Alright, so let's bust it open. I'll let you guys see it first. Here we go. Oh, how's it look? Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, here we go. Shea Moisture, as you can see. I'm so excited right now, you don't even understand. Alright, so there is a little paper. It's like, looks like it's the African Black Soap Bamboo Charcoal Clarifying and Refresh line. Oh, that's so exciting. Look at this. I'm so excited right now because I see this line at the store all the time, the African Black Soap, and I never try it, but I always go with the coconut and hibiscus, but I'm excited to try this. There's a head wrap. Oh, I like this. It's a nice stretchy material. Bunch of this is gonna be everywhere. Alright, this is the Bamboo Charcoal Body Scrub. I forgot, I have tried this. This is the only thing I've tried by this line. I actually have this, I do like it a lot. This is a really nice product. Makes my skin feel really good. So that's exciting. The Bamboo Charcoal Detoxifying Foaming Facial Wash. That sounds nice too. Color of it. That's cool. Alright. Ooh, Bamboo Charcoal Hydrating Jelly Moisturizer for blemish prone skin. That sounds nice actually. I do have a lot of dry skin. That is. Alright guys, that's everything that's in this box. I'm really excited to try this line out. It's probably gonna make your face feel really good. I'm really excited, so stay tuned. I'm gonna have tutorials, lots of stuff. Check it out. Alright, thanks guys.